brand new Zapable launch happening on the 4th of May 2021. We paid out over $1 million in recurring commissions to our JV partners. $1,000 of prizes with no minimums. And customer reviews expect this launch to be even bigger. And now with our new mobile app builder, you get to create beautiful app designs across multiple industries. Industries like online coaching, personal trainers, realtors, cafes, restaurants, and many more. We have over 30 amazing state-of-the-art features like QR code scanning to get your app downloaded instantly, coupon codes, social media profiles, selling physical merchandise within your app. Zap Digital. Zap Digital allows you to sell your digital products within your own mobile app and integrates via one click with your most common processors like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Pay Kickstart. You can sell access to your membership sites with direct login from within the app. List your appointment calendars if you're an online coach, and send push notifications to anyone who has downloaded the app. But the best has yet to come. You can simply scan a code and the app will instantly load in your client's phone. This fitness.app, and it will automatically prompt the user to install on their phone remotely. With this example app generating thousands of visitors already and hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales this year, it's proof that mobile apps are not just a luxury, but the future of both offline and online businesses. Include 5 high-quality, done-for-you agency videos to attract clients in multiple industries. We also include the landing pages in multiple formats such as ClickFunnels, WordPress, Divi, and many more. We give email approach connect scripts to cut and paste and send to potential clients. We share resources, top 17 ways to get your clients' apps downloaded, and much, much more. So with over 300 amazing customer reviews, a state-of-the-art app builder software and done-for-you package, backed up by amazing customer service,